it pretty? Said my eyes are blue. They're gonna hide you. Wanna hide? Get in there. Get in that duffel bag so nobody won't see you. You gotta hide.
Yeah, 1 minute, man.
You could come out. Come on. Come on. You could come out. Come on. Come on, Buddha. It's okay.
What's the guy big word? What's the guy out? Yeah?
Come here, boy. Sit. Good boy. Come on, he's cold.
Hi, Boots. Come here.
Cold.
Come here.
He's
Tomo.
Come on a minute, walk.
Tomo.
Look at the camera. Look. Get it.
Go ahead.
You cold?
Shut up. What you call it?
It's a Pitbull.
That's a blue pig.
Blue eyes.
Oh, that's what they call
See my blue eyes?
Well, not all of them got blue eyes, but he's a true pig. My nephew might call back. I told him his uncle was trying to get a hold of him. He had a sale for $20.
See, dog.
He was here a couple days ago.
Yeah, I see him yesterday. He was up here yesterday. Yeah. I'm surprised this man got the. He got the.
That's why I'm asking. I don't care for the police.
Hi, Fookaboo. You can't get out. He said, you can't get out that bag. You gotta stay in that duffel bag.
That's enough.
Get back in the duffel bag. You don't supposed to get out. Get back in there. He said he gotta hide you.